night.
What you doing?
Getting my video. Hi, Nathan.
Hi.
I want to get a retake of this amazing elevator.
Sure. Oh, there's music upstairs. Clear copyright straight.
Right?
I think
Look what we have back here. I wonder who's in this elevator right now.
Am I riding with you? Or?
Sure.
Okay.
Oh, he's shining this light up. Check that out. Here they come back up. And look.
Right. I'm gonna do a secondary take. Oh,
There they go.
Yes.
I guess we'll get a look at the bottom.
Yeah.
And look down there.
Oh, that doesn't work. Oh yeah, that's the selector, right?
That's the
Or is that a counter?
governor. That right there is the counterweight.
Oh, okay.
Wait, actually, hold on. That's for the selector down there. Look, because
Yeah.
this rope is for the governor. This is for the selector. And here they are.
Oh, yep, they're back here. Means we can get on. That door closes.
Here you guys go.
There's Sam,
Here's Andrew.
and there's Nathan.
Now we're gonna take our video.
Oh, the gates are all.
Oh, the gate's messed up. We're gonna go down if y'all so y'all can see the car top.
Let's,
Shining white in.
Sam, you ready?
Yes, I am.
Now he's shining the light.
Look at that. You can see all the way up.
Are you ready to go up?
Yeah, hold on.
Okay. Let me know when you're ready. I'll send the car up. You ready?
Yep. Wanted to get a photo of that.
Up we go. There's Diesel Daisy. Jason went somewhere else.
Yeah. Let's stay silent for our ride so we can hear the motor.
That'd be a
What
cool
an
motor.
incredible elevator. This
Cool
thing
to
is
see what one of those motors looks like on one of those.
absolutely. Look,
It's
look, you can
probably
see the
small.
shiv up there.
Yeah.
Perfect. That's a good view.
Yeah. It'd probably be pretty small.
Let's hold on. Let's wait.
All right. I've already filmed this one once before.
Mm-hmm.
It's a nice
Oh,
car.
here's
though.
the phone.
It's a help link. Oh no, that's not help link. That's something.
Kings 3.
It's a shame it's not Dover's phone. You can see that the car top stuff was installed by Dover and smashed by someone else. There he is.
There's Diesel Doozy.
All right. We ready to go back to one?
Yes, send us up.
There he is. It's Diesel Daisy. Oh, there's Jason. He is here.
Hello, guys. Oh, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
How kind, how kind. And give the door a close, and that's it.